Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm very excited to give you the first look of new Hive Box Smart Box. When we look at the Smart Box, the first thing we will notice is the solar panel on top of it. It can provide the device with power and it's waterproof. It has 4 flexi different compartments, and as I noticed from the official website of Hive Box, it can be arranged according to your request. The next thing we're going to look at is the surface. The color can be customized by whatever you want. The matte texture on the surface is excellent. It is made from galvanized color-rolled carbon steel. This high-strength steel material and rugged structure seemed durable. Not only withstand all kinds of weather, but also ensure theft cannot break in easily. If I'm trying to pry open a part of the device, as you can see, it is extremely smooth with no grip points. I know you worry about waterproof if the rain gonna wet your parcels. The answer would be no. Look, when I'm pouring a bottle of water over the device, the water flowing over the surface without affecting the inside parcels. At the bottom, there are 4 special anti-theft screws and bottom plate all made from stainless steel 304. Look, once the anti-theft screws are in place, combined with the overall heavy weight, even a strong adult man wouldn't be able to lift it. So Smart Box have a community mode which allows everyone in this neighborhood to use. When the courier comes, just using the camera can scan the code on the Hive Box to delivery package. Of course, Hive Box have their own application as well. Click Deliver button, select an apartment, scan your waybill, the door will open, then put in the parcel, piece of cake. Then parcel receiver will have a unique SMS. So when you come collecting the parcel using camera scanning, click Pickup, put in SMS, ta-da, the door is open. Don't worry if you forgot you're collecting SMS. When you forgot, just put in your phone number, Hivebox will send another new SMS. Easy as pie. We can share the Smart Box with family members, just adding all family members' phone number into the list. Hive Box name it Family Mode. Under this mode, it has one interesting thing. When one person in the family having multiple parcels, all the parcels can be put in the same compartment. After scanning the code on the top to open the locker, you can scan different waybills but choose the same compartment to place them in. Now we come to the key of Hive Box, which is the backstage SaaS it owns. With this SaaS, it easily enables the maintenance team to manage multiple devices across various communities, view device status online, and receive pop-up alerts when a device is off, ensuring the maintenance team is notified. Having Hive Box Smart Box, we don't have to wait all days for parcels and can avoid the parcels being stolen.